Okay, this is the breadcrumb here. Okay, now we are going to separate the eggs.
Whoops.
So that we only want the egg white only. Next thing is to beat the egg white for a little bit, not too much. This is ice cream that we make into scoop like that. And then you dip it into the eggs.
Cái này we overnight. Or at least a few
Put that in
hours.
like that. This is vegetable oil or any kind of oil except olive oil. Heat it up for 10 or 10 minutes maybe first, so it has to be really hot. Okay, now that would be the ice cream rolled in breadcrumb 3 times already.
So this is the first shopping session without you. You usually go shopping every time too.
That's true.
This is the first time.
And fry for maybe about 30 seconds total.
After that.
Try to ask.
And not too long. Higher heat maybe.
Really? If you want to die, you want to.
No, it's just going from parking lot to the mall to.
And that should be it.
Jason, do you want fried ice cream?
There we are.
No.
Okay.